guys, welcome back to the channel. What a special video today. I want to thank the guys at Carspace, particularly Dave Yount. He took out one of the hypercars that they have there for exhibition. It's an Apollo car. It's a hypercar. It's like a $7 million car. And he gave me the chance to ride in the passenger seat. It was a little bit chaotic. There was a lot of people, so I decided to do the intro later at home. After I reflected on it, it was super special. I hope the microphone from the phone captures the sound inside the cabin. It's like a fighter jet, and it's so fast. I believe it's almost 800 horsepower, and the whole thing looks like a Batmobile. It's an impressive machine, and it's very impressive that I had the chance to ride on it. So. Let me take you to the video. I try to capture the action there. One of the, the rounds he did with other people, so I could take the video of the cold start, and then me inside the cabin, and then how we got it back into the Carspace showroom. So, yeah, very exciting day. Check it out. But first, I want to thank our sponsor, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars of Raleigh. Come visit Rolls-Royce Motor Cars of Raleigh. They provide the Carolinas with a pristine collection of Rolls-Royce models and unforgettable service. From viewing to paperwork and financing, their exceptional team of professionals streamlines the experience for you so that every moment here is a world-class encounter. Their friendly personnel are experts in what they do, and they're happy to help. If you're in the Raleigh area, visit their showroom today and find a product that defines you. Alright guys, we're going in the Apollo. This is gonna be cool. Check it out. Alright, so that's the key.
Yep.
There's an actual key. You don't need to turn it.
It's more of a circuit breaker.
So that's just the electronic.
There's no electrical
signal.
power if you don't have that key.
Wow. So Dave, how much is this car worth?
I think 7 million.
7 million, yeah.
Alright, let's close the doors.
Alright, let's do that. I don't know how. Oh, okay. Here's the handle.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, so first thing, we're gonna prime pumps.
Oh man, I love. Look at the screens.
Yeah. Okay.
Get some gas. So you say you can't adjust the seat. The pedals come to you, but you're not gonna do that now.
Oh, so I'm gonna put it in neutral.
Oh man, guys, this is exciting. That's awesome. Look at the carbon fiber, the detail, man. It's beautiful. The Alcantara.
Okay, get it in reverse. Try not to stall it.
Right. This is just too cool.
Gotta release again. My toes are, my easies are getting stuck.
Right? sensitive car. There it is.
That, or you just need a lot of gas?
Sound, man. Wow. Woo. Wow. Too cool. Woo! Is it good?
It's not the best turn radius.
No, not the best. Yeah, but you got it. Awesome. I don't want to get into my McLaren now.
Yeah.
This sounded, how much horsepower is in here?
This, 8s in the 8s, but it's naturally aspirated V12.
Oh, jeez.
Made by,
It's like a derivative of an AMG engine, right?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
That's incredible. All right, man. We're going in. Apparently. Maybe.
All right. I need to get...
You want me to get out?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Right, I'll get out. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
I can't see on that side. You can get on this side. Push, push, push.